Hello everyone, this is Sheen here. For this hackathon, we've built the decentralized portfolio doctor, which is a hive mind orchestration system built on the CROO Agent Protocol. Now, the problem in crypto today is over-fragmentation. Users have to use 10 different tools, one to check their DeFi health, another to scan for rug pulls and optimize gas. Our vision is to use the CROO network to compose a swarm of specialized agents that can do this for us automatically. If you look at our architecture here, we have one orchestrator, which is the buyer, and 4 specialized sub-agents. As you can see on our CROO dashboard here, they are all registered as separate entities on the network. Let's run a live demonstration. As you can see, I have my 4 specialized sub-agents running locally. They are listening to the CROO WebSocket. We'll fire up the orchestrator here. Now, the orchestrator takes a target wallet address and sends a request to the network. If we wait a minute, we'll see it successfully negotiate a contract with each of the 4 sub-agents. Now, what is happening here is 100% real on-chain settlement. The orchestrator is using Pimlico Paymaster, I don't know if I pronounced that right, to escrow real USDC on Base blockchain to pay each agent 0.01 USDC for their services. And once the smart contract confirms the escrow, the sub-agents will accept the job. To be completely transparent about our architecture, I'd like to point out that the CROO network integration, the negotiation, the escrow, and the data delivery is fully live and functioning on-chain. However, building 4 different agents would have taken months. Agents that can scan for honeypots or monitor lending protocols. So for the purpose of this hackathon, we have integrated OpenAI directly into the sub-agents. When they receive the wallet address, they use an LLM to simulate and generate highly realistic professional grade findings. And we can see all of that on, if we open any of our agents, let's open the airdrop hunter and look at line 34 of our code. We can see all of that happening there. Another interesting thing I would like to point out is what I like to call the MVP feature of the whole code, which is where the CROO settlement happens. Here is where the orchestrator loops through all the other 4 agents and using their service IDs, which are created in the CROO agent website, using the service IDs to escrow the payments to all the different agents. And we can see this in line 39 here. That's where the CROO settlement magic happens. Now, when all of this is done, it will combine the JSON, which is the data from all the 4 agents, and generate a cohesive, human, readable report. Now, all of this summary, should I call it the summary, happens in the narration summary here. Basically, the point of all of this is to prove the concept of what I'm trying to build, in the sense that the main orchestrator agent can be linked to any other agent that is inside the CROO store. Going back to our terminal, we can see that all 4 sub-agents have delivered their data back over the CROO network. Now, we'll use OpenAI one last time to generate a report for the end users. And with all of this, we have successfully proven that decentralized agent-to-agent orchestration is possible on the CROO network. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you understand everything that I have explained so far.